Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we will study the instantaneous rate of change of a function, certain function. We'll take an example. I'll give you a function. The formula for the instantaneous rate of change is this one, f prime of x. It's the limit when x goes to 0, when h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So we will apply this formula for a certain function and then we will get the instantaneous rate of change. Actually, the instantaneous rate of change is nothing but the tangent at a certain point. It's the tangent to that function. So if I take a function f of x equal minus x squared plus 4x plus 1. And I want to study the instantaneous rate of change for x equal to 3. Yeah? So all what I have to do is apply the formula that I highlighted. And the instantaneous rate of change is nothing but the derivative, which is f prime of x equal the limit when h goes to 0 of f of x plus h. I know f of x is equal x squared plus 4x plus 1. But now I want x plus h. So I have to replace every x by x plus h. So it is equal of minus x plus h squared. So I replace that x here by x plus h. And because that x is squared, so I put it to the power of 2. Plus 4, and then x plus h. I replace the x by x plus h plus 1, minus, and I open my parentheses, my f of x, which is here, minus x squared plus 4x plus 1. And I have to divide it by h here, so all what I have to do is divide this by h. Now let's develop whatever I have, my limit here. So this is equal limit when h goes to 0, x plus h squared, I have the minus, I will keep it, I'll open two parentheses, is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, because it's like a plus b squared, which is equal to a squared, plus 2ab plus b squared. So it is equal x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then I will develop the second term here, plus 4x plus 4h plus 1, and I will develop the minus, which is here. It becomes minus times minus is plus x squared minus 4x minus 1. And all that is divided by h. Now let's develop this parenthesis here. It's equal to the limit when h goes to 0 of minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared plus 4x plus 4h plus 1 plus x squared minus 4x minus 1, and all that divided by h. And now let's simplify the term that are that resemble to each other. I have minus x squared plus x squared, that would be 0, minus 4x plus 4x, and then I have plus 1 minus 1. So I end up, it's equal my limit when h goes to 0, I would have minus 2xh minus h squared plus 4h divided by h. That's it. And now I can see that every term in my numerator has an h. So let's factor out h. It's equal to the limit when h goes to 0 of h times minus 2x minus h plus 4. So if I multiply my h by every term, I would end up with the numerator that I have here, divided by h. And now I can simplify my h's. And when h goes to 0, my limit, that h would go to 0. So f prime of x would be equal to minus 2x plus 4. But here I said I want to study it when my x is equal to 3 here. So let's replace x by 3. So f prime of x would be equal minus 2 times 3 plus 4, Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6 plus 4, it's equal minus 2. So my instantaneous rate of change at x equal to 3 is equal to minus 2. And let's see if it makes sense. Let's draw my function. My f of x used to be minus x squared plus 4x plus 1. And if I want to draw it, for x equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to 1. It's going to pass by here. And I know the opening is toward the down because my a is negative. And if I want to see my summit, x of my summit equal minus b over 2a, which is equal minus 4 divided by minus 2, it's equal to 2. So, and for x equal to 2, I would have here minus 4 plus 8, it's 4, plus 1, it's 5. So here I have 5. So that's my summit. And I know it's something like that. Yeah? And if I want to study the instantaneous rate of change at x equal to 3, which is here, and it's the tangent to that curve, so it's something like that, and I got it negative, and it is descending, my line is descending, and it's negative, so it makes sense now here. So my instantaneous rate of change at x equal to 3, it's equal to minus 2, which is the equation of the line is y equal mx plus b, and my m is equal to 2. So y equal minus 2 actually, x plus b, and then that's it. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me, and I would do more videos for you, and you will get noticed when new video goes in. And if you like that video, I would really appreciate a like to it. Thank you for listening.